Hey guys, I'm basically going to remind you how to answer a question like number 2. I think the rest of the notes you'll be able to figure out. My son is in the bed and he is eating a bottle, so if that's what you hear, he's really sick. Okay, so if I want to know exactly when the tickets will cost $25, I need to graph my equation, which my initial cost was 7. My increase was 0.045 because it was 4.5%, and it's every year. And then I want to graph 25 because that's what I'm trying to find. So I'm going to go to y equals, clear out the one from yesterday, 7, 1.045 to the x, and 25. And if I want, I can press zoom 6. And that'll kind of put it back to normal. But I know that's not going to be good enough because even though I can see my curve, I want to know when the curve reaches 25, and this is only going up to 10. So when you press zoom 6, remember it's going to go back to normal, like up 10, left 10, right 10, down 10. So if you didn't press zoom 6 and you want to just press graph, yesterday we changed it to like 2000. So I don't know if that's going to work. But the way you change your graph, I would like for y'all to stay away from zoom, press window. I don't know if we need to change the x. We'll deal with that in a little bit. But I do need to change my y to be something bigger than 25. I'm going to go ahead and say 50. And then remember, when I was in high school, if I changed that max to 50, I changed this min to negative 50 because it will center the graph. And then you press graph if you didn't see me do that. So there's my curve, and there's my line. So what's the problem here? My graph is tall enough, but not wide enough. So yesterday our answer was 5 to 6. This answer must be bigger than that. So let's go back to our window. I changed the y max to 50 and negative 50. Let's change our x max to be something bigger. I'm going to do, why don't we just do 50 and negative 50? Another good place to start would be 25. If you're curious, you can just make it up. I start with 25, then 50, then 100, 200, 500, stuff like that. Alright, I'm going to make them all 50s or negative 50s and press graph. Alright, sweet. I want to figure out where they cross, so I'm going to press second trace, number 5, intersect. Enter, enter, enter again. Enter 3 times. And the answer is 28.92 years. So if you see exactly on your paper today and you want to go graph it, graph the equation, graph the number, go to your graph, change the window, and then do second trace intersect. And then remember, you have to hit enter 3 times once you're there. So second trace, intersection, enter, enter, enter. Okay?